Hello guys, I am back right now doing sublimation again. So recently I was in the Walmarts and I found this peachy, I don't know if you can tell with the lighting, peachy, fluffy, fleecy kind of sweater by No Boundaries. It was on sale, it was $3. It was chilly that day. I said, this looks super comfy. It is like walking in a bathrobe. So I purchased it. And it is only, I think, 48% polyester. So I already know that most of this sublimation ink is going to wash out. And I'm actually going for a very vintage feel with this. So this is my own personal shirt. I've never actually subbed on anything with such a low poly content. So we're going to see how this is. I've already put it up here. This is going to be a quick video. It's just kind of a test, but this is what we're printing. You can see my printer spit out a little extra ink, so this is an unusable print, but this is the guy that we're printing. I have it on pretty low pressure because I'm afraid that if I do heavy pressure that this fleece will get squished down and it'll be a big box. So I have it at 393 for 58 seconds. If you've seen any of my other, rewind. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know my heat press runs a little hot. So, you know, the standard for trying something new is always about 400 at 60 seconds. So I just drop it down a little bit as my baseline. So it's about 35 seconds left. And as this is happening, actually my press is going down. It's now at 389, 390. So it's varying. But I don't know why my heat press runs so hot, but it does. But I'm very excited. I love this little sloth guy. So I'm excited to walk around in my new shirt tomorrow. Wow, 60 seconds went like that. About 8 more seconds left, and I'm going to pull this guy up. So I always pull up super slow to avoid any ghosting, even though I have taped my image down. Oh, good. My hair is caught in there. Okay. So I just like to peek and make sure that it took. And if I need any more, oh, my image is there. So I'm going to pull this on up. Oh. And it is doing exactly what I wanted it to do. I mean, I'm sure more of it'll come out in the wash. But, so, not a ton of my ink is gone. Truthfully, I could probably do it again, but I won't. And it did get matted down. But hopefully, if I just shake it out, it'll... Oh, the fleecy will come back. So what I'm doing right now is, this is my very technical way of getting rid of press marks. It's just stretching. See, look, it's all coming back right now. No problems. Okay. Let me get it in the light. There you go. So I do see a big mark around it. I'm going to try and get that out. I've heard if you lint roll it with, or use some tape or something, that might work also. But this is the exact look I was going for. Super vintage and soft looking. And this is my cozy hang around at home shirt. Cute.